Want to use Google Gemini like a real app on your laptop or PC? The good news is you actually can, and it only takes a minute to set up. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to Google and search for Google Gemini. Open the official Gemini website, and once it loads, sign into your Google account if needed. Now, a lot of people look for a download button here, but there actually isn't one. Instead, Chrome lets you install Gemini as a desktop-style app. So look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots. From the menu, choose Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install Page as app. On some versions of Chrome, you might see Create Shortcut instead. Either option works. Now click Install. After a few seconds, Gemini will open in its own separate app window, almost like a normal desktop application. You can now close the browser tab if you want, and if you check your desktop or start menu, you should also see the Gemini app icon added there for quick access anytime. This makes Gemini feel much cleaner and easier to use, especially if you use AI tools often on your PC. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple PC and AI tutorials. See you in the next video.